In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to resize a table in Notion. Let's start by opening Notion. You can use the web version in your browser or the desktop app, whichever you prefer. Once Notion is open, head to the workspace where your content lives. The key is simply getting to the page that already contains the table you want to adjust. Give the page a second to load so all the elements render clearly. Now navigate to your page with the table. Click anywhere inside the table to make sure it's active. You'll know it's selected when you see the table's borders and the cell outlines become more defined. Move your cursor slowly toward the edge of the table or the divider between columns. When you're in the right spot, your cursor will typically change to a left-right resize icon, signaling that you can drag to adjust the width. Click, hold, and drag the edge. If you're aiming to make a specific column wider or narrower, drag the divider between that column and the next one. This is helpful when you have longer text in a particular column and want to avoid wrapping or truncation. If you're adjusting the overall table width, drag the table's outer edge to expand or contract it within the page. As you drag, keep an eye on the content. Headings should remain readable and data should not feel cramped. When it looks right, simply let go of the mouse or trackpad to set the new size. A few quick tips while you resize. If the resize handle seems hard to catch, zoom in slightly in your browser or app for finer control. Try to align column widths with the type of data they hold. For example, dates and short tags don't need as much space as descriptions or notes. If you're working with multiple tables on one page, aim for consistent widths so the layout feels clean and intentional. And if you're on a smaller screen, a slow, deliberate drag will give you more precision than fast movements. When you're satisfied with how everything looks, that's it, you're done. Your table now fits your content better, making it easier to read and work with. Remember, you can always return and make small tweaks as your data grows or changes. Thanks for watching, and feel free to replay any part of this tutorial while you adjust your own table in Notion.